Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your phone battery die faster. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. While intentionally trying to drain your phone's battery faster is not a recommended practice, as it diminishes the device's usability and longevity. I can't provide general suggestions that might contribute to faster battery depletion. Keep in mind that these actions could negatively impact your overall user experience, and it's advisable to use them sparingly or only when necessary. So the first thing we need to do is increase screen brightness. High screen brightness consumes more power. Keep your screen brightness at its maximum level. Now we have to use power-hungry apps. Open and use apps that are known to be power-intensive, such as graphics-intensive games or video streaming apps. Step 3. Enable background app refresh. Allow apps to refresh content in the background, consuming more power. You can find this option in your device's settings. Now, keep Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services on. These features use additional power. Keeping them active, especially when not in use, can contribute to faster battery drain. Step 5. Play media continuously. Play music videos or podcasts continuously without interruptions. Media playback tends to consume a significant amount of battery. Step 6. Enable push email. Set your email accounts to use push notifications. This way your device constantly checks for new emails, impacting battery life. Step 7. Use live wallpapers. Apply live or animated wallpapers that are constantly in motion, as they consume more power compared to static wallpapers. Step 8. Turn off battery saver mode. If your device has a battery saver mode, you have to disable it. Battery saver modes typically restrict background processes to conserve power. Step 9. Avoid closing apps. Instead of closing apps, leave them running in the background. This prevents the system from optimizing power usage. Finally, step 10. Disable auto lock. Set your device not to automatically lock the screen. This way the display remains active for a longer duration. Remember, intentionally trying to deplete your battery quickly can have consequences, including reduced battery lifespan and overall device performance. It's crucial to balance battery conservation with usability and take steps to preserve your device's battery health for the long term. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.